Hey, this is Cliff with the Oldfather Group at Compass Real Estate. Today we're at 220 Chandler Street in the heart of downtown Milton, Delaware. It's a spacious lot and a large home nestled on the Broadkill River. Let's take a look. Upon entering this home, you'll notice that it feels brand new. That's because it's only 3 years old. This capstone home was built in 2021. The main floor offers open concept living with plenty of space for friends and family. The front of the house has 2 bedrooms and a full bath for your guests. The living room, kitchen, and dining room all offer serene views of the surrounding nature. The kitchen also offers a breakfast bar, perfect for hosting large or small gatherings. So the main floor owner's suite features a full bathroom, 2 walk-in closets, and even more wonderful views of the surrounding woodland. The 3-season screened-in porch located off the dining room overlooks the community walking trail that goes all the way down to the head of the Broadkill. On the second floor, we have a secondary living space, a sizable bedroom with a very large walk-in closet, and a full bath. One of the most unique features of this property is the lodge-style walkout basement with a kitchenette, full bedroom, and full bathroom. The natural pine and cedar wood tones of the basement make it feel cozy with a rustic charm. The preserve on the Broadkill is a fantastic community. Wooded lots, walking trails, open spaces, all within walking distance to downtown Milton, Delaware and all of its attractions. At 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and living spaces over the course of 3 floors, this home is perfect for multi-generational living or vacationing. Thanks so much for joining us today. If you want more information about this property or other properties like it, feel free to message me directly or call me at 302-258-5683.